And God is allowing me to do some businesses, to formulate some businesses that will, watch this, that will fund my purpose, that will fund the purpose that God has for me. He will allow us to create entities. I always say, do the service and the money will come. He will align people in your life. He will align businesses in your life. It's not a handout. It's not always looking for grants and looking for funding and looking for donating. It's about doing the work of God, walking in the purpose and plan that God has for your life. And God will provide all your needs. But first we gotta get in purpose. First we gotta start doing what God wants us to do. First we gotta know what it is God wants us to do. You gotta understand you're not an accident. You were created on this earth to do something particularly that nobody else can do it the way you do it. People are doing things that you do, but not the way you do it. God has designed you for certain people that will only see Christ, that will only see God, that will only get to the place that they need to get to if they see it in your life. So when we talk about a man of purpose and power, we're talking about to discover the purpose of something never ask creation, ask the Creator. And we find number 6 is we find our purpose only in the mind of our Maker. Listen, I have to start thinking like God.